M2 Bradley in action, cutting-edge technology and armaments. The Bradley is equipped with the M242 25mm autocannon as its main weapon. The M242 has a single barrel with an integrated dual feed mechanism and remote feed selection. The Bradley carries 300 ready rounds in 2 ready boxes, one of 70 rounds, usually AP rounds, the other of 230 rounds, usually He-type rounds, with another 600 rounds in storage. The 2 ready boxes allow a selectable mix of rounds, including the M791 APDST armor-piercing discarding sabot with tracer and M792 AT high explosive incendiary with tracer rounds. The 25mm automatic gun is primarily used for clearing bunkers and firing on lightly armored vehicles. And the 25mm automatic gun is not the weapon of choice for engaging tanks, but vehicle commanders, crews, and call and Army Infantry Center personnel have reported isolated instances in which the 25mm automatic gun disabled older generation tanks. However, Army Material Systems Analysis Activity AMSA officials stated that, on the basis of their assessment of combat vehicles in the Persian Gulf War, for the 25mm automatic gun to incapacitate a tank, it would have to be hit at close range in its more vulnerable areas. Subsequent ammunition developments resulted in the M9919A PFS-DST armor-piercing fin-stabilized discarding sabot with tracer round, which contains a fin-depleted uranium penetrator similar in concept to armor-piercing munitions used in modern tanks. The M9919 was used in combat during the 2003 invasion of Iraq. It is also armed with an M240C machine gun mounted coaxially to the M242, with 2,200 rounds of 7.62mm ammunition. For engaging heavier targets, such as tanks, the Bradley has a tow missile system on board. It was changed from the M2A1 model to fire tow II missiles. M2 infantry Bradleys have firing ports for a number of M231 firing port weapons, FPW as modified M16 assault rifles, providing a button-up firing position to replace the topside gunners on the old AKV, though the M231 is rarely employed. Initial variants carried 6, but the side ports were plated over with the new armor used on the A2 and A3 variants, leaving only the 2 rear-facing mounts in the loading ramp.